I had a client, and I won't say her name, but I had a client. She was in her late 40s, early 50s, had never had a fruit or vegetable in her life. Never. All she grew up eating was meat and potatoes. That's it. So I had to be very delicate with what I did with her. I could not just say, okay, we're going to go right into fruitarianism. We're going to go right. I didn't do that. So I got rid of the porks and the beefs and all that good stuff. But for her, she was like, I'm not ready to get off the meat 100%. So I kept her on a little bit of meat, but I started to slowly introduce.
Like other options?
Yes.
Okay.
So everybody's different. Some people can do it, and some people just can't. And I'm not one to force something on somebody. Yeah. I'm very compassionate. I'm very gentle with how I work with my clients. But I do not focus on the word protein. Okay. And I really try to get people's minds out of that, because that word is, there's so many other amino acids in the amino acid chain. Why are we focusing on one? Right. So I try to help them understand it's not about protein. It's about getting your amino acids, which is in all kinds of stuff, and making sure you understand how to properly food combine, how to eat right, how to introduce fasting, how to juice, how to do enemas. Like, there's so much more to this lifestyle other than the protein. So I really try to educate my clients when I'm talking to them about why they need to not focus so much on the protein.